are back at you for another episode of... Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris pile.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And last time we used this golf cart, it left us stranded about 2 miles up the road. And I fixed a bunch of stuff, but I don't know why the stuff broke. So everybody out there, just keep your fingers crossed that we'll make it home on time. We got to get going because somebody else is out after our plants. Who is it? The British Royal Navy. They're going to crush up all of our plants if we don't get going. So we're going to get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, y'all, we just rolled up on a fiddler fig in a pot. Unfortunately, this is fake. It's not real. We want real plants. So we're gonna...
Pretty nice quality one.
It is.
There's like fake lichens on it.
Yeah.
Are those fake?
I don't know, but it's not what we want. We're gonna keep going here, guys. We want real plants.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, this giant pile of bromeliads was here last week, but it looks like they've added some to it.
Yeah, these look
Some we didn't get last week. We're gonna grab some up. Oh, there's several varieties in here.
This is a new one.
Yeah, all right. We're gonna grab some of these up. We'll get back with you. All right, we just rolled up on a rubber tree here.
Corn palm. Looks like.
Yeah, looks like there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. We're gonna go through these and grab up anything that we can plant from cuttings.
Snake plant.
Let me go get it.
All right, we just found some paddle cactus
There's
here.
tons of it up there.
Yeah, so you can see there's some like powdery mildew on some of it, but there looks like there's some good pieces in there. We're gonna grab some of this up for sure. All right, we just rolled up on tons of Dracaena, like tons of it, and some Schefflera. I bet you can plant that from cuttings too. But Teddy's gonna grab up some of this Dracaena for sure. All right, I don't know how, but Teddy spotted 2 tea plants in this pile as we went flying past it, so he's gonna grab them up real quick. Whoop. All right, we just rolled up on a couple prizes here. It looks like we have some marginata right there, and then maybe a variegated screw pine. I'm not sure. It looks like just cuttings.
I say we try it.
Yeah, we're gonna grab this stuff up for sure. All right, y'all, we're out hunting plants, and now it looks like it turned into a turkey hunt. Lucky for him, it's not turkey season, or her. I think it's a her.
I think she's looking at herself in the reflection.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, well, we'll let her be for now. All right, here's another Dracaena in the back of that pile there. Teddy's gonna
The only green thing
see
in
if we
there.
can fish it out of there. It is the only green thing in there.
Whoa.
Nice. All right, there's a whole bunch of tea plant and some more of that variegated grass or whatever it is. Oh, there's some
Also,
roots on some of it.
You see that green plant? That green plant right there? I think that is one you can stick cuttings up.
All right, well, we'll grab all this stuff up.
It's a pretty tea plant.
All right, there's a pretty cutting a tea plant. Teddy's gonna grab that up real quick. All right, this house wins for the most festive
Oh my gosh.
display.
Oh, they have the snowmaker.
Oh man, so much fun.
And they have...
All right, y'all, so these bromeliads aren't up for grabs, but look how cool the flowers are on them. Super cool. All right, there's some tea plant right here, but there's also some Christmas palm seeds.
Should I get the red ones? Or...
Yeah, let's get the red ones. There's some green ones there, but we want the red ones. We're gonna try and sprout some of those for sure. All right, so we made it back.
Yeah.
The golf cart didn't die on us.
Yeah, we got some new stuff.
We did. Actually, we were talking about it. I'm surprised. We probably go, what, 7 or 8 miles?
Yeah.
Each morning when we go out looking for plants. So I guess there's no wonder why parts break in our golf cart all the time, because we do this a lot, and then we use the golf
And
cart.
there's no wonder why we find plants every week.
Yeah, I know, because we go.
Do cover ground. If we just went in one neighborhood,
Yeah.
we wouldn't.
I mean, I know for a fact we go 7 or 8 miles because the furthest neighborhood is at least 2 miles from us, just one way. So 4 miles just up to that neighborhood. Then we go all through that neighborhood and through 3 other neighborhoods. So.
And just imagine if we had a pickup truck.
Yeah. All right. All right. So what do we got? Should we start with what's right behind you there?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, no, let's start with the seed.
That's what I mean, yeah. So we got these, I think they're Christmas palm seeds.
They're really pretty this
Yeah,
time
and
of
you
year.
can see these are the ripe ones right here. So we're gonna let these dry out probably, and then see if we can sprout them.
Up the
See
British
what we
Royal
get.
Navy.
Oh yeah, there's the plant crushers. Actually, that sounds
That's
like
the bottle crushers.
Yeah, that's the recycle guy. But all right, what we got? What we got?
Well, I'm pretty excited about this one. We didn't show.
Yes.
Found this
Norfolk
Christmas
pine.
tree.
Yeah. So this is the Norfolk pine. I don't think we've ever found one of these.
Yeah, we have.
Doing plant pirates.
Yeah,
have
we got another one in a pot.
in a pot.
Like
okay.
last year.
So this has roots. I'm not sure if you can plant this just from cuttings, but it has roots. So yeah, no, I'm gonna show them.
That's how big they
So,
make it.
so, right, they sell these at our local Home Depot as like little Christmas trees. In fact, I think they've started to sell these at Home Depots across the country,
Yes.
even up north as little Christmas trees. But
Uh-huh.
if you plant them here in Florida, they will grow up to be these giant.
45-foot tall.
Yeah, oh, they're even taller than that. You see these giant kind of conifer-looking trees in the way background there. They get massive, just huge. I heard. I don't know if it's just a myth or something, but I heard that the Spanish planted them here to use them as ship's masts, because they have real tall, straight trunks. So.
And one of them got struck by lightning or something like a year ago, and the pine cones in it like exploded.
Yep.
And we had seeds of them all over.
We did.
our
I think
yard.
we actually did a video about that. If
Yeah.
I can find that video, I'll post a link to it somewhere here. But
Yeah, that's crazy.
all right, what else we got?
All right, we got marginata.
Yeah, we got a lot of this. Yeah. So
We scored.
colorful Dracaena here. You guys can see this is one of my favorites. I love this one. We have tons of this one all over our yard, but we'll take any more we can get. And this is one you can plant just from cuttings. I mean, you can even take this stalk and cut it up and then root in water each little cutting.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can get lots of
Probably could
lots
just
of
put
them.
it in dirt too.
Yeah. Where'd Raymond
He's right
go?
here.
Okay. We got our 3-year-old playing golf.
We
There he
got
is.
This is another Dracaena,
Oh, yep.
different color.
Yep.
Do we know what the name of this color is?
I'm not sure. I think that's the dragon tree.
That's right.
Oh, we got a big one right there. Yeah.
That was a nice one.
Same thing, guys. You can plant this just from cuttings, either straight in the ground or you can root it in water. I don't know if root hormone would help or not, but
So this is another exciting one.
yeah.
We've
So
never
this is
gotten
one we
this.
don't have.
This is a screw pine.
Yeah, I think
A
it's
variegated screw
like a
pine?
variegated or striped screw pine.
And-
I know one of them had roots. That one looks like it's been cut a little
This
short.
one looks
but-
like it's been cut, but I don't know.
Wow, it's pretty though. That's going to
It is.
add a lot of
of
dramatic color in the landscape.
Oh,
There-
this
yeah,
is the
that
one
one
with
has
the
roots. Yeah.
That's a little one.
Heck
but
yeah, look at that.
maybe
There's a
put that
couple.
one in a pot,
There's a couple little
This one looks
pups
like
off
it
of
was-
this one.
chopped too.
Yeah, well at least we have this one right here.
Yeah, and why not just try to throw
Nice. Oh, we're definitely gonna try. Sweet. So that's a new plant for us. I'm stoked about that one.
those? Another dragon tree,
Nice.
corn palm.
Is it? Yep. We got a corn plant right here. In fact, our corn plant right over here, I'll show everybody real quick, just flowered. One of our corn plants. There it is. Right here. You can see. And then we have another corn plant in the backyard that's, I mean, as tall as these cabbage palms. But it's growing up next to a cabbage palm. And I think the cabbage palm has helped to support it. That's how it got so tall. All right, what you got here?
Kind of red sister.
Is that, yeah,
tea
here's a tea
plants.
plant. Yep. I think we got 2 varieties. That's Red
Yes,
Sister right
this
here.
is red sister, and then this one.
So pretty,
This
look at
the
that.
Auntie Lou.
Yes, I think we got an Auntie Lou right there. Yeah,
Don't-
which is,
Oh yeah.
yeah, we have an Auntie Lou planted right here too.
Is that the same?
I think it is.
It might just have been in different light.
I don't know. That could be a different. I
This
don't
almost
know.
looks like a blackish
It
purplish
does.
one. This one's real pretty.
It is real pretty.
Also, the growth is different on
No,
this.
they look the same to me.
Okay.
But
one's
this
just
does
bushier.
look, yeah. Now, I mean, I suppose it could be because it was planted in different light.
Yeah, because look at this one.
But
That
you can
one-
see this one did just flower, and ours just flowered too. And the leaves are different colors, so I don't know. We might have gotten a new variety here. I collect tea plants.
No, these, hold on. This was a red sister. These are
yep.
the same.
Yep. Maybe we just got one red sister.
No, I think
No,
we
you got a
another
couple
one.
more.
Here's one.
There we go. So the red sister is the one that's commonly found at your big box nursery department. All right, what you got
The
here?
rubber tree.
Oh, nice. So this is another one you can plant from cuttings, just like the tea plants.
It's a
And these
big
things, yeah, these things get huge. The rubber trees do. There's a
Got a
variegated kind too.
Bearded iris, maybe. I think that's what it
Yeah,
is.
that's what
but
it looks.
I
Looks
don't
like an
think there's-
iris of some kind.
Not sure there's roots or
You
anything.
got seeds here though,
Yep.
like mature seeds. Check that out. They're ready to go.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And these things spread pretty nicely.
Sweet.
I like those. One of our first things.
Yep. We got a couple bromeliads. It wouldn't be plant pirates without bromeliads and tea plants. This is a nice size one. Some of them are huge.
Here's another stem of a
Tea plant.
tea plant.
So the tea plant's just like the dracaenas. You can cut those stems up into little pieces and root each little piece.
Chapelera, variegated chapelera.
Yeah, we've
I
never.
know we've done it once and it
Okay.
lived.
Yeah, I mean, so there's another one you can plant from cuttings. This makes a great hedge, kind of a medium-sized privacy hedge. Adds a lot of nice color in the landscape.
Here's a spineless prickly pear.
The paddle
Spikeless
cactus.
Paddle
Yeah.
cactus.
So you can eat these lobes
You can eat the lobes and the fruit.
and the fruit. Yeah, the little red
But I
fruits.
think the spiky ones have better fruit.
Gotcha.
They're
The
just
fruit
you
is
gotta be
loaded
careful
with
eating
really hard seeds.
them. Yeah, real
So,
hard seeds. I don't think I've quite experienced seeds
Yeah.
any harder than those.
Yeah. All right. Well, wow, that's a
Look
haul.
at all this.
We did good today. We had another good week,
Yeah,
I'd say.
absolutely.
Yeah, I'm stoked. We got a couple new plants. That's always cool. So, well, looks like he's ready. He's had enough. He's had enough of us making our video here. So anyways, y'all, if you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here today, just post down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.